Hello students, so let's try to understand the concept of virtual functions with some simple example. In this example, I have declared one class with name employee, and this class has got one data member employee ID. Along with this data member employee ID, this class has got function called a display function, and simply we are displaying message inside display function of employee, which is nothing but the base class. Then we have created one more class salesperson, which is publicly inherited from employee class. Now this salesperson class has got its own data member called as commission, and this salesperson class also has got a function called as display function. So here also we are displaying message inside display function of salesperson. Now next is inside main we are declaring object. So we are declaring object of employee class E1, and then we have object of salesperson class which is SP1. So we are creating not only object of base class but of derived class also. First of all, this object is rather we have along with these two objects we have one data member, or we have one pointer PTR which is of type base class. So pointer is of base class, and this pointer is holding address of the object of the base class, right? So base class or pointer can always hold the object of the base class object, and then we are giving call to display function by using pointer. Then the same pointer is holding the object of the derived class which is nothing but SP1, and then we are giving call to display of using that pointer PTR, right? Now what should happen actually in first case, as this pointer is holding object of base class, so it should give a call to display of base class. In second case it is holding object of derived class, so it should give a call to display of derived class, right? If I compile this and if I run it, so what you find in both the cases it is giving call to display of employee class which is nothing but the base class. Why it is happened? Because this binding is happened at a compile time. So basically the binding is nothing but association of function call with the definition. So this association is happened at the compile time, so it is also referred as the early binding or static polymorphism, right? See what you find here, message is same PTR arrow display, here also PTR arrow display, but still the implementation is still the result is same, right? So what we want, it should give a call to appropriate display function. In first case it should give a call to display of base class, second case it should give a call to display of derived class, right? So this can be done by using a keyword called as virtual keyword. So virtual keyword I need to add in a base class. So here before function name I need to add keyword virtual. So when I add this keyword virtual with the base class function, basically it makes it as a polymorphic class, right? So in this case this association of function call with definition will be done at the runtime, also referred to the late binding, right? So what happened in case of late binding, instead of looking at the pointer, or rather instead of looking at the type of the pointer, it will look at the type of the object. So in first case type of object is of employee, so it will give a call to display of employee. In second case type of object of salesperson, so it will give a call to display of salesperson. So if I compile this program and if I run this, here you will get inside display function of employee and inside display function of salesperson. So by using virtual keyword, runtime polymorphism can be achieved in C++, due to which the binding will be done at the latter time, that is late binding. Okay, so this is how the virtual function works in C++. Okay, so I hope it is understood you. Okay, so take care, bye bye.